MBA, Masters in Business Administration. So, if by any chance you are completely unaware what MBA is, you should skip this video and try to research what MBA is and then come back to this video. So, many of us who are either about to complete the graduation or are 1 to 3 years experience holders see MBA as an option to either raise their pocket money or simply to be a postgraduate. But we often miss the concept, which is doing something which is of our interest and learning new skills. This video will focus on two things. First, whether you should do MBA or not, and second, what different fields of management exist and which you can master. We will discuss the second part first, and there is a specific reason I am doing so. So please be patient. So what is management? It is simply the efficient and effective operation of a business and its study. It can be categorized into 8 sectors. So let's discuss what are these 8 sectors. Financial management. It is a field that deals with the study of investments. It includes the dynamics of assets and liabilities over time under different conditions, including risk and uncertainty. There can be 3 types of finance. First, public finance. It is the study of the role of government in the economy. It is the branch of economics which assesses government revenues and government expenditure of the public authorities. Second, corporate finance. It is the area of finance which deals with the sources of funding and capital structure of corporations, including the actions that managers take to increase the value of the firm. Third, personal finance. Individual or a family unit performs to budget, savings, spending monetary resources over time, taking into account various financial risks and future life events. The second we have is marketing management. It includes the activity and processes for creating, communicating, delivering and exchanging offerings that have value for customers and society at large. It also includes advertising and determining product price. In easy words, you need to be creative, up to date on trends, optimistic and able to understand your consumer. Third, human resource. Examination of how individuals construct organizational structures, processes, and practices, and also how these shape social relations and create institutions that influences people. Fourth, strategic management. The formulation and implementation of major goals and initiatives taken by a company's top management on behalf of the owner. This field involves formulation of techniques and ideas to grow the business. Fifth, production management. It deals with the decision making related to production process. The production of merchandise for use or sale using labor and machines and tools. Most commonly applied to industrial production, in which raw materials are transformed into finished goods. Sixth, operations management. It is concerned with the designing and controlling the process of production and business operations in the production of goods and services. It also ensures business operations are efficient in terms of using as few resources as needed and effective in terms of meeting customer requirement. for example, banking systems and hospitals, etc. 7. Service management, also known as supply chain management. It takes care of the intersection between the actual sales and the customer point of view. It optimizes service-intensive supply chains. They must accommodate inconsistent and uncertain demand by establishing product flows. 8. Information tech management. It includes many of the basic functions of management such as staffing, organizing, budgeting and control. But it also has functions that are unique to IT such as software development, change management, network planning and tech support. The central aim of IT management is to generate value through the use of technology. So if you are going for MBA, first decide in which field you want to continue and read more about that. A short description as in this video will give you the idea of various fields, and also you can see for yourself that in which field your interests lie. Now coming to the first part, why MBA? If you have reached this part of the video, it means you are really interested in doing MBA and you eagerly listen to what all types of management exists. So it is clear that you want to do MBA, and reason is simple, your interest. Now you only have to choose one among the various fields I described just now to see where exactly you can excel and read more about it, so you are clear that this is the thing you want to do. So next time